Steve Lee here with simpleetax, and today we're going to be talking about how you can deduct the business use of your car. There are two methods to claim the business use of your car. The first method is the mileage method. Under the mileage method, the IRS gives you a predetermined rate to deduct for every mile driven for the business. For 2017, the mileage rate is 53.5 cents per mile. So for example, if you drove 1,000 miles for the business, using the mileage method, you're allowed to deduct $535 for the business use of your vehicle. The second method is the actual method. Under the actual method, you add up all car-related expenses and only deduct the business portion. Expenses include gas and routine maintenance like tire rotations, oil changes, vehicle registration fees, insurance, interest on a car loan, parking fees, toll fees, depreciation. Those are all common car-related expenses. Let's walk through a quick example. Step 1, add up all your eligible car expenses for the year. And let's say that number is $10,000 for 2017. Step 2, calculate the business portion of your car. Let's say you drove in total 100,000 miles. And of that 100,000 miles, 50,000 is related to the business. So 50% of your car was used for the business. And in step 3, you multiply steps 1 and 2, and you get 10,000 times the 50% equals a $5,000 car-related deduction for the business. There are 3 very important things to remember with the car deduction. The first thing to remember is that you cannot change methods from year to year. So let's say you chose the mileage method in year 1. You can't use the actual method in year 2 for that same vehicle. You have to stick with one method per vehicle. Second thing to remember is that commuting miles do not count. So if you're an employee of a company and the employer provides you with an office or a work area that you commute to every single day, those commuting miles do not count for the car deduction because the IRS classifies commuting miles as personal. And as you know, personal expenses are not deductible. And number 3, use a mileage app. The IRS requires you to record very specific information for every business mile taken. Specific information includes date and time, starting and ending odometer, and the business purpose for that trip. So by using a mileage app like MileIQ, let technology do the work for you. So use a mileage app. So where do you claim the tax deduction? If you're self-employed, you'll claim it on the Schedule C of your Form 1040. If you're an employee, you'll claim it as an itemized deduction on the Schedule A of your Form 1040. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please remember to hit subscribe on this screen because we have a lot of great content coming up. Also, please remember to leave any questions or comments below. And last, but definitely not least, always remember to keep hustling.